yo, we're gonna go in. It's the flight. We're gonna go into the flight of burgers or something like that.
Yeah.
So see you all in the next scene after this. Alright, yo, this is like the robot from Avatar. Oh, they decorate in Christmas form. Oh, it's a nice buffet, but I think we're gonna go to the Nomad Lounge. I hope they have like burgers and stuff. And I could really good for some good burgers. It's like a robot. The robot. Yeah, I haven't really watched much of Avatar. I don't think I would watch Avatar. Yeah, I think I might try to watch it. Oh, it's just a menu.
Oh, yeah, I heard about this. It's a dessert one.
And then there's a
I heard
pretzel.
this one's good too. Lychee and apple.
Oh, there's a pretzel up there, bro.
Those are my two favorites. I need to try that.
Yeah. Okay, we'll try that.
With beer sauce. Beer cheese sauce.
That sounds good.
Yo, man, I really want to come here. But y'all, we're going to the ride now, so we'll see you all in the next scene. Alright, y'all. I think we're gonna get a snack here. Something like that. This room's better. Oh, never mind. Wait, that is. It's just behind it. Yeah. I think we're gonna get snacks here, so we'll see you all in the next scene. Alright, yo. So, we're gonna go to Africa. Yeah, bubbles. So,
The next one is 11, 12, you know.
it's an open squirrel. And alright, so and then we're just gonna go through all this.
I think it's just right next to that other ride we went to.
So, just a little thing. I think we were just passing through this earlier. I think we're at a different way now. Yeah, I got this night blossom. I already drank it all. Drank most of it. I'm good. Yeah. Well, we're just doing a restroom break, so we'll see you all in the next scene. Alright, y'all. We're gonna go around. I'm trying not to waste. I'm not trying to waste my battery. It's like 63. I have it on battery saver. I still got a drink here. I think I'm already ran out of it. Shall I keep going? Yeah. Yeah, no. I think these are just. Oh wait, I think we passed through this area earlier.
Yeah, we were from
Yeah. I don't think I need to film this. I could just save batteries, so we'll see what next. Alright, y'all. Now we're in a new path. We're going to Africa.
Oh, they're very fast.
No, not the actual Africa country. You know what we mean, the African animal kingdom. Ooh, pizza-fari. Oh, dang. I would like me some good old pizza. Pizza's peak. Yeah, we're gonna go look at autography. Gonna watch our step. Yeah, we're gonna look at otters. Where are they? Underwater?
Yeah.
Man, on the other side, bro. I think they're too afraid of us. Yes. Yeah, I'm just gonna do it.
They're hiding again.
Yeah, I think they're hiding. Yeah, I'm thinking they're gonna hide. Well, we'll just continue on our path. Right now we're on our way to Africa. Oh, and then yeah, just looking around at this point.
You can see it from up here. They're over there.
Oh, there's
right
the otters.
there.
I think they're in the distance.
Super cute.
Oh, no, I see them.
I see one. I see two.
I see one only. I only saw
Two.
one.
One is in by the water, one is in.
Yeah, somewhere.
The corner.
Where's that at? Oh, I see it. Get over there. Yeah, I see it. I see one. Yeah. On our path to Africa. Yeah, we are on our way to Africa right now. Yeah, well, yeah, we gotta look around for all this. Come on, it's Animal Kingdom. You gotta see all the animals. This trail is currently under refreshment and provides no exit. That's stupid. Oh, I see. It's a little catfish right there. Yeah, I don't know if you guys saw it. I saw a little bit of it. Probably on the other side. Let's hope. Yeah, I think it's just hiding. Oh, I see you all next. Oh, I see it. Oh, you guys can see a little bit. But catfish. Little catfish. No, it's gone. There we are. Off to Africa now. Well, gotta make sure don't learn anything too focus on the camera. Oh yeah, by the way guys, we're here full day, so this is a full day vlog. Pretty much. So yeah. You're gonna be seeing this whole day. Creatures confronts. Oh, there's a Starbucks under it. And Starbucks are everywhere, bro. I don't think there's a. I never saw a Starbucks in the universe. I mean, in the Disney hotels. I think there's Starbucks in the Universal hotels. So I didn't see any in the Disney hotels. What's a tree? What's that? Over there. I think it was like a little creature. Oh, it's a cotton top tamarin. There it is. Yeah, it's a tamarin. Look at all that. There's one up there. Look at all that. Alright, I can go see you all in the next scene. Alright, so wait. Oh, up? I think that up. I forgot the boy's name, or the dogs. I forgot their names. I never watched Up in a while. This is the tree from above. Yeah, that is the Up characters. Look at all this. And let's look at all this. Alright, we'll see you all in the next. Alright, y'all, we're gonna be going in the tree. And so we're gonna be going under the tree, y'all. Yeah, mine is 59%. I need to save up on some battery. It's not really a battery saver. There's a little trail right here. little tree. Yeah, feel that tree. Oh, now I can see the details real good. Now, yeah, I can tell that's a fake tree. Those are fake leaves. I think we just go all the way down there. See all the next. Alright, y'all, we're gonna be going through on this. Yeah, we're gonna be going through Africa. Yeah, this is like a bridge. What is this? This is like sharp. Actually, no, it's not really sharp. It feels metal. Welcome to Harambe of East Africa. Port of East Africa, that's nice. Is that the line? Oh, there's a mountain. I don't know what ride that is.
Oh, we can eat there.
Oh, alright, y'all, we're gonna eat at the Tusker House. We'll see you all. Is that a reservation?
40 minutes.
I think this is. So this is Africa, it looks like.
You want to eat there? That's the one though.
Alright, yeah. Oh, we did. We ate at there before? Yeah. We ate there like 9. Yeah, we ate there. Seems like we ate there when we were young. I don't really remember much of going to Disney when we went in 2016. Because we are so young. We were so young back then. Looks like they got like a show going on over there. It's a pretty cool show. Right. I don't know where we're gonna eat, so. This is like a bakery and a coffee shop. Yeah, these are our menus. Alright, we'll see you all on the next thing. We're gonna eat here probably. Alright, y'all, we're gonna be going on the safari right here, so yeah, we just got lunch, so yeah, we'll see you all in the next thing.